With the current AI boom, many SOLIDWORKS users are asking the same question. When is AI coming to SOLIDWORKS? When can we interact with SOLIDWORKS like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude? Each year, SOLIDWORKS adds more AI features such as Smart Selection, AI Fasteners, and the Command Predictor to streamline your design, but this is not the text-based entry we've gotten so familiar with from LLMs. Now, with 3D Experience, you have access to SOLIDWORKS' virtual companions, Aura and Leo. These AI agents are designed to understand how things work in the real world. In this video, we'll see how Aura connects you to design knowledge and how Leo executes your engineering tasks inside SOLIDWORKS. We'll even briefly discuss the future of SOLIDWORKS AI. First, we will need to access the virtual companion chats. You can access Aura from the 3D Experience platform. From your platform, navigate to the 3D Swim communities. I'll go to my compass and access my apps to find 3D Swim. Then, I will go to the Virtual Companions tab on the left. Here, I can see a history of my previous chats and start a new chat. I'll ask a simple question about Toolbox, just to see Aura in action. You can also access Aura and Leo from the SOLIDWORKS program. First, I need to verify that I'm using SOLIDWORKS 2026. The 3D Experience add-in is enabled, and I am connected to my platform. If any of these requirements are not met, I will not have access to the virtual companions. I can access the AI tools from the task pane on the right-hand side. In SOLIDWORKS 2026 FD03, this is called the Virtual Companions tab, but in previous releases it was called AI Labs. Let's meet the first of SOLIDWORKS' virtual assistants, Aura. Aura connects you to design knowledge from SOLIDWORKS Help and 3D Swim communities. Aura answers the how-to questions. For example, here we have a collapsible water bottle. I need to consider what material will be effective, and I'll enter this as a question for Aura. It searches the 3D Swim communities and gives me several recommendations that will be a great starting point for making my material decisions. Next, allow me to introduce you to the second virtual assistant, Leo. For this drone assembly, I need to improve the assembly performance so that I can easily edit this file on a more modest computer. Typically, this is accomplished by investigating the assembly performance. All the information I need to improve my assembly can be found here, but I need to analyze and interpret what SOLIDWORKS is telling me. Leo simplifies this process with the assembly optimization function by providing easy-to-read information about my model and targeted recommendations. Here, Leo calls out specific components that are increasing my graphics triangle count, components that have high number of appearances, which components have many instances, and which subassemblies are most impacting my performance. I'll take a look at one of the components Leo specifies. This small component is very complex, and one of the components that will be purchased. It does not need to be this detailed. I will go ahead and make some changes to my model. I have followed some of Leo's recommendations and simplified this model. We can already see a significant change in the appearance of the model. The edges are rougher, but the model opens quicker and has fewer graphical requirements. This reduction in complexity can be quickly seen in the assembly performance evaluation as well. I have also followed the recommendations for my motor upload parts, simplifying it significantly. And this is just one example of how you can use Leo. Try out Leo's competencies using the new Explore SOLIDWORKS AI. This is found in the latest version of SOLIDWORKS in the task pane, or by using the Virtual Companion Flyout toolbar, which I've added to my quick access tools. Now, these virtual assistants are still in beta, with more features scheduled for release. SOLIDWORKS has announced features such as image to mesh, drop test analysis, spec to CAD, as well as another virtual assistant, Marie, who will help with material science. For more information, check out the SOLIDWORKS website for AI virtual assistants. In this video, we saw how Aura can quickly connect you with relevant knowledge from the SOLIDWORKS help articles and 3D Swim communities, and we saw how Leo can assist you in SOLIDWORKS to perform engineering tasks. Now, it's your turn to see how these AI assistants can be used in your environment. Please reach out to us if you are interested in gaining access to 3D Experience and the SOLIDWORKS virtual assistants. If you would like to continue learning, check out our website, YouTube page, or one of our many blogs. And thank you for watching.